Hi there, this is Laura, and I have been focusing on the integration of technology in the science classroom and looking at different websites that a science teacher can utilize in a one-to-one classroom. And another website that I use quite a bit in my own classroom is edpuzzle. So I'm going to take a few minutes and walk you through how I use this in my classroom. And of course, this can be modified to suit your own classroom and students' needs. But this is a free subscription, so you would have to sign up and create an account, which I've already done. But when you go to edpuzzle.com, it'll give you that option. And so I have set this up, and I have gone in and set up my particular classes. You can see here I have all my CP biology kids. I have my HL kids for IB biology, my seniors and my juniors. And so you can set this up and share a particular code with your students, and that links them in to a particular class. But I'm going to go back, and I've been searching cells in all of my presentations, and so I'm going to look up cells. Before I do that, you can see on the main screen that it pulls up other teachers that are using this in my school. This happens to be Miss Spence, who also teaches biology, specifically AP, so you can see what she's uploaded. But I'm going to first of all start with a general search. So when I do that, it brings up a variety of videos. This is a video website where videos can be played and they can be modified to ask the students questions throughout the video, and I'll focus on all that momentarily. But here you can see where you can pull up the different videos. You can actually pull up one and you can edit it, you can watch it to preview it, you can copy it to make modifications of your own. So you can go ahead and use what teachers have already created, or you can create your own. But that's one option. I've been known to copy and edit these as I need to. One of the major problems with this, at least in my district, is YouTube in my district is completely blocked. So anything that is posted to YouTube or comes from YouTube is blocked to my students. So therefore I'm left actually uploading all of my videos for my use. But if you have access or your students have access to YouTube, this is an easy program or website to use. So anyway, let's just say that I cannot access YouTube, so I have to create my own. So in order to create my own, I would have to go to my content, and then I'm going to add content. Now you can see these are all of the ones that I've created, and I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these to kind of give you an idea of how it actually works. I use a lot of Amoeba Sisters, so we'll just go ahead and edit this. Okay, but it allows you, once you actually upload the video, it allows you to crop the video. They can only watch a portion of it or all of it. You can do a voiceover, you can add notes, and you can also integrate quizzes throughout. Just to show you the screen here, I'm not going to make any changes because I've already made it for my particular class. But then once you have finished making the edits, you can assign these to a class, give them a start and a due date. The great thing about this is they cannot skip. If you actually click this, they can't skip content, and they have to watch the whole thing. So that's really great. All right, but if I want to add content, and I can't do this right now because I don't have anything to upload, but you would simply add content. You can create a video, you can upload a video, you can create a folder per class, whatever you'd like to do. But just to give you an idea of how this actually works, I will go ahead and watch this particular video. This is what the students would see essentially as it plays. And what it does is it will actually ask questions throughout the video. But you can delete, duplicate, edit, or you can assign these videos. But what it allows you to do is incorporate questions throughout. You can do open-ended questions, you can do multiple choice questions, you can do true-false questions. You can put questions as frequently or as infrequently as you want to throughout the video. And the really neat thing is, once the kids have actually completed their video, you can go to the grade book and you can actually open up and actually see their score. This particular student watched the video, all of it, ended up with, excuse my battery there, ended up with 21 out of 28 correct responses, took 19 minutes, and actually shows you all of his answers. So this is a really great program to use. It's a great formative assessment. You can ask them 5 questions. You can ask them 45 questions. It does not matter. And I use this as a supplement to what I actually do in the classroom. And I think it's a wonderful vehicle. And I wish you the best of luck in implementing this in your science classroom.